There's a saying, whatever you think about India is true, but the opposite is also true.
Why don't they wait for a second? Yeah? Let's go, go. Yeah, I'm here.
This is my story about traveling India, about getting to know a country with so many stereotypes.
What the fuck, bro? Where did you come from that? Out here in this market right now. Oh, Balenciaga! Yeah, put on in.
But first of all, how did I even end up in India?
This time, hello from Mumbai. Mumbai is exactly what you think Mumbai is. It's crowded, it's chaotic, but it's still nice. The people here are crazy nice. India! Yeah, I'm finally here, finally made it. Okay guys, India is indeed an achievement country. It's so insane. I wanted to check into my hotel and it was just not possible because I'm a foreigner. It's only for Indian people. And yeah. What's up, brother? You good? How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, brother.
Where you will stay?
Namaste Hostel, backpacker.
Namaste Hostel.
Yeah,
oh, in
backpacker
Bandra
hostel.
West.
Yeah, Bandra West.
Yeah.
Are you my Uber? It's the code is 8412. Thank you. So guys, in case you want to come to India and stay in hostels, hotels, whatever, make sure you research if your hotel has a certificate to host foreigners, because it's not for granted. Not all the hostels or hotels are allowed to do that. And yeah, it's basically for your own safety. So, and I just found out that there's this famous Ganesh Festival, and we're here. We're trying to check it out. You know, I just got to know my friend. He's from the south of India, and he traveled all the way for this festival. Literally, I didn't even know that there is a festival here. That's what just happens when I travel. I just hop on in situations, and now I'm here. And yeah, I hope we're gonna see the statue and can touch the food. It's gonna be amazing, I guess. Wow. That's what people want to see, you know what I mean? That's insane, bro. Thank you for bringing me to this place.
Thank you.
We can manage that. Yeah. We're gonna wait here. It's gonna take us maybe an hour, maybe more. I don't know.
the exact time, how long it will take, but let's see.
It's gonna be alright. Oh, we're moving already. You said, yeah, last year you were here already.
Yeah.
Okay,
Every
that's
year I
good.
came here.
Every year.
This time darshan we got covered.
What makes this special? What is special about this day? Why do you celebrate it?
Ganpati is like a family member is coming.
Fam-
So 10 days, 5 days or 3 days, whatever.
Okay, that's
and
good.
we celebrate like a family member is coming and he is going.
Okay.
Whatever the wish you are, if we feel, that's what.
I can't tell but Papa will listen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you. So we celebrate that family members are coming back again. Nice. Hey, we're almost there. It started raining already, but we're in. We're in here. It's so crazy how much is actually going on in the Indian street, bro. It's insane, bro. It's literally insane. Woohoo! Let's go, go, go. Okay, we're almost there. This is so beautiful. Damn, you need to see Ganesha. This is so beautiful here. Wow. You see it? I need a better perspective. This is so amazing, guys. Look at Ganesha. It looks so beautiful. Wow. It is so beautiful here. Can't even tell. I finally arrived to India. Wow. Crazy what's going on over here, bro. It's so crazy. cool, man. Oh my god, guys, you won't believe me what kind of feeling it was inside of there. It was amazing. It was so much, so many people over there, but wow, the energy was insane, bro. And she just gave us lots of bananas. She's giving us so much food. Yeah. Are we going to the next vlog? Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye.
Next we are heading to.
Yeah. What's the name of the blue god here?
I don't know, man.
You don't know? But it's a temple dedicated to him, I guess.
It's based on south or something like that.
Okay. Okay, that's one of these Ganesha temples they built for this festival. And you see, it's beautiful. People come here to pray. Wow. Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? You good? How you doing, bro? And here we have another Ganesha temple. Very nice, man. Wow. We just arrived to a football match of my friend Nigel's brother, and we're gonna check it out. This is my friend Nigel. I got to know him in.
Yo, we'll do that after drinking.
Okay. Oh no. We're just hanging here, drinking a London Pilsner. It's quite chilled here. This vibe, by the way.
So how are you enjoying Mumbai?
Mumbai is insane. It's my second day. And even being around with locals is a different experience.
And what's the favorite thing that you've eaten over here?
The tikka sandwich I had.
Sandwich.
Yeah, it was like a sandwich or the tikka. It was
Family table.
okay. They won. Oh yeah, there we go, guys. There we go. Yeah.
Battery low, energy high.
In Bandra.
In Bandra.
No, it's fine. We had a nice night yesterday. We had a crazy night yesterday. We went to this club. I mean, you saw it. Showed me Mumbai, and now we're going to the beach to just see what's up, man. Wow, it's insane. Is it actually possible to swim somewhere over here in Mumbai? Or would you not?
On the beach.
On the beach?
This is the sea, it's not a beach.
Yeah.
Small fishes you can see here. I don't know.
What the fuck, bro? Where do you come from, man? Oh shit, bro. I don't want to fuck with you, man. Oh shit, you're running for us. Oh shit, bro. Where does this pig come from, bro? I haven't seen it.
They'll have a family also.
Yeah. I don't know if you see them. They're somewhere over here. With a dog. It was so funny. Mumbai is different. Look at all those trees here. It's beautiful, man. I love Mumbai. Mumbai is a nice place, man.
You can play with this in the second set.
Yeah, I heard about this game. What's actually the goal? To get here in the middle, or?
No, to get these into the holes.
Ah, okay.
It's basically like billiards at pool.
It's literally like pool, yeah. It's like chill pool, sitting pool. Nice. What's up, man? Finally from the other perspective. What's up, guys? Let's try that. Yeah. This one. After that, what is that? This is pani puri. Yeah. And how do you open your mouth?
Yeah.
Hold. Oh. Yeah.
How do you feel like? How tasty it is? Try your mouth.
Wow. Is it good? Yeah. It's like so different than anything I ever ate before. Yeah, taste it. It's spicy and it's crunchy, but inside there is something. Yeah, it's good. And it's like, good. And at the first bite it's like water. You first think it's like water or something. Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah, I already tried, but
you want?
No.
There we go, another one. Cheers, guys. Can you show it one time? Yeah, bro. That looks insane. Yeah, I love that.
If you like actually like energy drink.
This is one of the most expensive areas to live in the whole world. Amazing, man. I love this country, literally.
I've paid, bro.
No, bro. I paid.
It's not good, bro.
You cannot pay everything, bro. Let me pay, bro. Let me pay. Okay, here we have the next dish. It's a sandwich, right?
Paneer tandoori.
Yeah, man. Nice, bro. There we go. And spicy sauce, of course. Yeah. What's the name of it? Lal Bacha Raya.
Lal Bacha Raja.
Ah, okay, I see. Now I understand why Mumbai is the city of dreams, bro. It's the city of dreams.
11, bro.
Okay, guys, this is Ganesh Festival part 2.
Yeah.
There we go. So my thing is, I cannot get lost, man. I just lost my phone. And it's insane, bro, what's going on in here. There's just so much going on the street. And we're gonna wait 4 hours to see Ganesha. This is currently the most crowded place in all Mumbai. It's so funny that we literally need to walk like this, because otherwise it's like too crowded here. Wow! I'm in India, like in the center, bro. Check out how many people are here, man. Insane. Okay, I think we're arriving somewhere. I don't know, it looks like. How are you, bro? You good?
Super cool.
Yeah, man.
I'm really excited.
Me too. This is already a nice experience just walking here, you know what I mean? It's insane. I don't know, but we somehow get in, man. We somehow get in. Alright, there we go. Guys, this is so much. It's like so much going on, like people pushing from everywhere, from everywhere. And we kind of need to go fast. I don't understand that, man, but everybody's like half running, half walking. It's crazy. So we just bought this one. This is a gift for Ganesha. Nice.
My mom.
He's the best man. He just saved me right now, man. I'm thirsty, and he just saved us. Damn, that's so nice. Wow. Yeah, I cannot, bro. They are just everywhere. Why don't they wait for a second? Yeah? Let's go. Go. Why? Ganesha. Yeah, I'm here. Ganesha. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Yo, I have goosebumps. I'm so scared, man. Where are my friends from? Where are my friends here, man? Whoa, this was a little bit too much, man. What the fuck, bro? I'm literally scared about mass of people. That was too much, man. That was a little too much, I guess. I cannot do this shit. Literally, guys, my hands are still like shaking from what I just experienced. It was a lot, man. Wow. Yeah? You wanna buy one? Hey guys!
Hey, Monu!
Brother!
Monu!
Oh, we need to go. Yeah, we will get lost, man. Somehow he managed it to get us in. I don't know how, but we took like another entrance. Otherwise we could never be there. In this time, like literally, it was a little bit too much. And in general, it was insane. Nice experience, man.
Yeah.
I was very scared because of the mass panic that wasn't there. Well, I panicked 100%. I was like shaking inside, outside. It was a little bit too much for me, but still nice experience, man. One of the craziest experiences I have in my life, 100%. India got it, man. India got it. Woohoo! I'm ready, man. Wow. Yeah. We rocking. Beautiful, the statue of Ganesha. This whole festival is insane. I love it to be here, like literally to be part of this festival this year. The only thing that I haven't seen is how they put Ganesha into the water. I wonder if we're gonna see that too. I did the whole festival now. That's like the final party, I guess. around here. Not the only one. Everywhere you go in every corner there's another Ganesh party kind of. Wow, it's the last final day.